Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Hetzner Cloud VPS for secure SSH access. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Hetzner Cloud console. Select the project containing your VPS instance. Locate and click on the relevant VPS server. Note the IP address assigned to your server. Open your terminal or command prompt on your local machine. Use SSH to connect to your VPS with the command SSH root at your _server _IP. Once connected, update your server's package list with the command sudo apt update. Upgrade installed packages by running sudo apt upgrade y. Next, create a new user for secure access, sudo add user your username. Follow the prompts to set a password and provide necessary user details. Add your new user to the sudo group with sudo usermod ag sudo your username. Log out from the root session by typing exit. Reconnect your VPS using the new user, SSH your username at your server IP. Now, configure SSH for added security. Open the SSH configuration file with sudo nano /etc/ssh/sshd_config. Find and change the line that says, permit root login yes to permit root login no. Next, locate the line, password authentication yes and change it to password authentication no. This will disable root logins and password authentication. To enable key-based authentication, generate an SSH key pair on your local machine using SSH keygen. Follow prompts to save the key in the default location. Now, copy your public key to the VPS using SSH copy ID your username at your server IP. Once copied, ensure the SSH service is restarted with sudo system restart SSH. Test your configuration by logging in again through SSH. Now, attempt to access the server with root, it should be denied. You have successfully configured your Hetzner Cloud VPS for secure SSH access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.